There you guys are. I've been looking all over for you guys. Dude, it's another adventure. This weekend, it brings us to a place called Sundance. If you haven't heard of it, look it up. Or, well, just watch the video. We've got a lot in store for you, so enough talking. Let's do this! What's up? Welcome back. Sorry about the lighting. I'm in shade, I'm in sun, it's everywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed those waterfalls. There's one waterfall, wait, there's two. It was like 5? 4? Let's go 5, that sounds way better. Anyway, thanks again. Really appreciate all of you guys for watching. Till next time, adventure on. It's time to put the camera down. I need to go enjoy it myself. Peace, you guys.